Guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. All right, this is a quick review on Bitcoin. You remember on our previous video, we had these markings on the chart, right? We had these markings on the chart. Let's go back to the 4 hours time frame because that's the exact time frame where we had the markings. I told you Bitcoin had created an ascending triangle, and in this ascending triangle, we're expecting a break to the downside. All right, we're expecting a break to the downside, which has actually happened exactly the way we anticipated. All right, now if we have to look closely, you realize that this is the last key level or the last structural level where if Bitcoin has to break it, that's when we will assume that we have a longer way to go down. All right, but as of now, we should be looking for buys. Okay, those who are courageous enough can get their entries right now, because I am courageous and I am getting an entry right now from here. All right, my stop loss below this level where I say is a risky level that will invalidate our setup. Okay, below this level, and where are we targeting? The last resistance, and that's it. Okay, as of now, we are still trading within this zone. And for us to trade above this zone, we should see a break out of this resistance level. But as of now, we are still very, 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 very bullish on Bitcoin. We are still very bullish on Bitcoin, guys. All right, I believe these videos are helping you back to back, and some of you are taking trades based on these setups. All right, so don't mess up, don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel, show some love on TikTok, wherever, so that let's keep building. We can see everything we've always predicted on Bitcoin. About 99.9% actually plays out the same, or the way we say it's gonna play out. So let's keep building and see if this one will also respect as it always does. Okay, I don't control the market. I do what I see. I react based on the price action. All right, so as of now, Bitcoin looks very, very bullish. Someone will tell you it has broken the trend line. Yes, it's true. Personally, I can see that. But for me to know that this trend line is invalid, we need to see, or this trend is invalid, we need to see price close below the last swing low, because I consider all what you see here, the chubby price action we spoke about last time, as liquidity. So we've had a liquidity sweep. All right, for those who trade SMC, they will tell you more. All right, those who trade, who talk about liquidity a lot, will tell you more. As of now, I'm just telling you what I see based on price action. Okay, so let's keep riding the trend to the upside, guys. And if it comes back to this trend line and you see some kind of reaction, at that point you'll be above 1:1. You start looking closely to see the way it reacts from this trend line. That's when you will know if we should close the sell trade or continue with, sorry, we should close the buy trade or continue with it. All right, and I'll as well make a video on that, because on a previous video I told you there was a possibility for it to come, bounce on the trend line and continue dropping. But what makes it invalid as of now is the fact that we came down but did not take out the last swing low. So that makes our buyer still very, very bullish, guys. Thanks very much for watching my video. See you on the next video. Ciao.